Hello Georges, my name is Adeze. Here is my entry video for the competition. On here I am making a common meal known as ochoto in my native language. But here I am having a twist because for me cooking is all about experiment, okay? So I just got some fresh corn, cook them. While I was cooking I added salt to get it tasty, and then I decobbed the corn, and after that I have some scotch bonnet pepper of different flavors. I added some crayfish, and I also added a locust bean, which is for seasoning, and it is very crucial in some local dishes because it has got a very peculiar aroma and flavor. Yeah, and in there I also added diced onion and then get them pounding. After pounding, I got my pot heated, and then this is a good tasty red oil. You have to be very careful with the taste of the red oil, else it will ruin the taste of the meal. So there I added some diced onion and added some blended ginger and garlic, get them fried to some extent. Added just a cube of Maggi seasoning, and right there I am adding the pounded mixture of the pepper, the crayfish, the onion, and the locust bean, and then I got it frying for some minutes to the point that everything looked dried a bit, and then I just went in with the decobbed corn, and in batches I get it a bit fried. We're not frying to get the corn fried, no, but to infuse the flavor of the ingredients into it. And after that I seasoned it with more beef seasoning cubes, and just right there I added water from the cooked corn, because it has its flavor and also nutrients. And then right on top I just added some diced liver, yeah, and then added a little more salt for good taste, and then get it heated up, and then added my diced green beans and get it also stirred, and then cover it to infuse the nutrient for a few seconds, just about 30 seconds, and I added diced red scotch bonnet pepper for heat, for heat. And that's it. This meal is ready, and it was so yummy. Thank you.